last ingredient is substance, clumps together. Portland, not from the city Portland, but from the Isle of Portland. Was discovered in 1824. Works as a glue-like substance. It will be a binder in our concrete that we are putting down. When thinking about concrete and cement, think about milk versus ice cream. Does ice cream have milk inside of it? Yes. Does concrete have cement inside of it? Yes. Let's start mixing some concrete. Adding water is called hydrolysis. We're adding water that will start the chemical reaction. When thinking about life, you will see that it's a lot like laying down concrete. There's a lot of hard challenges and heavy weight. 1 yard of concrete is 4,050 pounds. But if we move that pile of concrete one scoop at a time, you will notice we are able to make some incredible pieces of art. That is why if you look at life with all the miracles that are happening around you, wow, that's a powerful day. That last quote is Albert Einstein. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all soon.